Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox, set up and review this TP-Link AX11000 Next Gen Tri-Band Gaming Router. It's a Wi-Fi 6 compatible and supports up to 10 Gbps speed. It has 1.8 GHz quad-core CPU. So let's unbox this router. Trying not to damage the box. That's a power brick, a network cable, and that's the unit. And I believe there are 8 antennas. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Some information. Some other bits and pieces, and also this one has the default access details. Let's go ahead and unpack the base unit. Good design, good build quality. It has a USB 3 and USB-C port. There you go. So it has 2.6 giga WAN port and 8 LAN ports. That's the power supply. There's a reset button, and that's a switch to switch it on or off. Okay, so let's take out the antennas one by one. They actually look pretty cool. You just slot them in. Yep, so just slot them in. So the position is pretty static, you can't move them around. You can't flip them, so unlike other routers. And that's the last one. That's it. It looks, to me, it looks like a drone or some sort of like a robot with tentacles. Looks quite interesting. Okay, let's go ahead and switch it on, configure it, and do some load tests. I am about to connect it up to my router and power it on. You can see the TP-Link logo is flashing. Now there's an app I'll need to download and configure the router with the app. For the configuration, I have installed the TP-Link app, and you'll need to sign up with a valid email address. So once I've signed up, if I just go back one step, so you can add a new device because I don't have anything added at the moment, so I'm going to add a new device. So as you can see that there's a specific model section for this Archer AX11000 router. Tap on that and connect, contact hardware, connect to the hardware, and so yeah, I've done all of that. Next is powered on. Next, yeah, it's been plugged in already. Yep, all done. Yes, so that is on as well. LED is solid on. Scanning now. Okay, so it's found it. So it's using Bluetooth, just so you know. You don't have to kind of like use your network connection to access the router beforehand. So it's using Bluetooth, which is great. Easy to set up. Okay, so I'm going to set up a new username, a new password for this router. I'll just set a new password for the device. And a few more settings to complete. Dynamic IP should be fine. It's detected. I'm going to go next. Do you need to change the MAC address? No. Next. And okay, so this is the wireless network name and password. I've just completed all the security settings, and now it's applying those settings. Make sure to take a screenshot or write it down somewhere. And it's testing the network connection now. Just to remind you, these are all done via the app, and you don't have to do anything manually, like using a computer or anything. Okay, so it says congratulations, you can now enjoy the internet. Okay, so now it's all connected up, and I'm going to do a speed test pretty close to the router. Okay. So that's pretty good download speed, 371. I was expecting about 350. Okay, so this is from the room where the router is sitting. I will probably go downstairs and do the exact same test. Right, so this is another room downstairs, and I'm going to run the same test. Going to restart. So just so you know that the previous speed was recorded 371 Mbps download, and upload was 37 Mbps. I'm going to restart. Still pretty impressive. I'm quite far from the router, and it's the ground floor and in a different room, quite far from that. Yep, so 129.5 Mbps. Upload is 36.9. Still very happy. Very, very impressive.